In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a question type in Microsoft Forms. This process is straightforward, but important to ensure your surveys or quizzes function as intended. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. You can use any browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the search bar, type Microsoft Forms and hit Enter. This step is crucial because it takes you to the Microsoft Forms interface where you can create and manage your forms. You'll see a list of links appear in the search results. The official Microsoft Forms link should be among the top results. Once you locate the correct link, click on it. If you're not already logged in, a prompt will appear asking for your Microsoft account credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This is important because you need to be logged in to work on your forms. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your Microsoft Forms dashboard. Here, you can see all your existing forms and quizzes. Next, locate the survey or quiz you wish to edit on Microsoft Forms. Click on it to open the form. This step is vital as it brings you to the editing interface where you can make your changes. You will see all your questions displayed here, allowing you to choose which one to modify. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, click on the question you want to change. This action enters edit mode for that specific question. The question will be highlighted, and you will be able to see its details. In this mode, you can make adjustments and changes as needed. Ensuring you're working in edit mode is essential as it prevents accidental changes to other parts of your form. Next, highlight the question text in the prompt box and copy it. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac. This step ensures you have the original question text saved for easy reference when creating the new question. Having the text copied makes the transition smoother and saves you time later on. After copying the text, look for the Add New button directly below the question card. Click on this button to create a new question. This button is essential because it allows you to add a new question type without disrupting your existing layout. You'll see a new question prompt box appear, ready for your next input. Now it's time to select the new question type you want to use. You can choose from various options such as choice, text, rating, or date. Click on the appropriate option that suits your needs. This is an important step as the correct question type enhances how respondents interact with your survey or quiz. It can significantly impact the quality of the data you collect. Once you've selected the new question type, click into the new question prompt box. Here, paste your original text by pressing Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. This action transfers your question text into the new format, maintaining consistency in your survey. It is a simple yet effective way to ensure your question remains clear and relevant. Finally, return to the old question block above and click the Delete Question icon. This icon looks like a trash can and is located in the top right corner of the question block. By removing the old question, you ensure your form is updated and free of any incorrect information. This step is crucial for maintaining the clarity and accuracy of your form. And there you have it. You've successfully changed a question type in Microsoft Forms. This process not only helps tailor your survey but also improves the overall experience for your respondents.